This is me, Mikey. Welcome back to Mikey Macho Garage, and I have a special guest, which is my Uncle Fernando, which I call him Tuna. And here's the build of the 1967 Ford Mustang GT, and it's by Master Design. And it actually has a weird engine, but it also has nitro tanks. Isn't that cool? It's like this thing is for like city racing, and yeah. What do you like about this, Fernando?
So I like the kit, the color scheme of the car. It's got like that metallic lime green with the black. The interior also matches the paint job, which is pretty cool. So you got like the black and green seats there. The dash has a little incorporated green there with black. It's pretty cool. The rims, I think we're gonna choose these rims for the build. It's got like black and chrome. So everything has like its own little, it kind of incorporates the color of the entire car. You see the panels in the door there. It's green, black. It's pretty cool. It's also got this, I think this, the exhaust, or yeah, it's got like a nice little exhaust going there. So it's a pretty awesome build. I like it.
And what do you have to say about this?
So it's got like a, it looks like it's a manual. It's got a fire, I forgot what these are called again.
It's a fire extinguisher.
Fire extinguisher, there we go. It's got a fire extinguisher. And I think it also has a NOS kit too, so.
Yeah, it has a NOS kit.
This is a really,
That's a NOS.
really cool racing kit right here. Yeah, and that's about it.
Yeah. This is the Ford Mustang, and you can see the hood is cool, and it's also cool. It even has nitrogen in the tank. And what makes it special, it's because the nitrogen tanks, because it's like it goes turbo. I said it, turbo. So, Tuna, what do you think about this car? How good was the build?
The build was pretty good. It wasn't too difficult. This is my first time actually putting together one of these things, and yeah, it was actually pretty straightforward. Snap some pieces together. What we liked about this build, like as I mentioned earlier, was the rims that we wanted to put on it. It's got the deep dish rims. There's Brembo brakes on the rims.
Yeah, Brembo brakes.
Yeah, and then you could see also that it has the nitrous kit
and
here
it has
in the back.
A V8 engine. So, and down here, there's like some fuel cells, but you can't really see it. So that's why we're not going to let you see it. It has a V8 engine.
So show them the engine, Mikey.
That is the engine right there. And it has a bunch of tubes like red and blue. And it's got a fire extinguisher, if you can see in there.
It's also got the racing seat belts.
Yes,
the harness, yeah.
And it also has cool side mirrors too. They're circle shaped instead of rectangle shaped. And you can see these custom exhausts right there. And also the exhaust system's cool. Like this.
Got that good chrome.
Yes, the good chrome.
Nice.
It's nice. This cool thing in the back. In the front. And it got also cool headlights. Circle shaped. And then you got this, which says custom shop right above my finger, which is so cool. Everyone will like it.
Yeah, so that's the Ford Mustang. It was a pretty good build and awesome car. Had fun with Mikey here.
Yep. And this is a special video.
Yep.
This is Fernando. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to look at the subscription to get this cool car. Bye.